Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and sell stock on eToro on Android. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So I'm going to go and be showing you the process right here on the web version. It works exactly the same for the mobile application. So you're going to be opening up eToro.com if you're on your browser. If you have the application, just go ahead and open it up. So once you open up the application, it's going to look like this, where you're going to be able to see the join eToro button. That's going to enable you to sign up for an account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just log in normally using the login button. So once you're logged in, it's going to open up a completely new menu where you're going to go and be able to see a new menu right here with all the options such as your portfolio, dashboard, investment options, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to sell stocks. Here we have an official article on eToro Help Center, how to sell stocks. To sell a position, you're going to go to your portfolio. It's going to appear at the bottom of the screen. If you're using your mobile device, open up your portfolio, and from there you are going to go and be able to tap on the relevant instrument to see the breakdown into individual positions. So as you can see, if you're in the eToro app and tap portfolio at the bottom of the screen, you can see all the instruments you're currently trading. So tap on the relevant instrument you want to see and that you want to sell, and then you're going to tap on the position you wish to close. So tap on it, and on the new screen tap close trade at the bottom, and this is going to enable you to close that trade and sell that stock. Once you successfully close the trade, that means the stock is sold, and that's how you go ahead and sell your stock on Android. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.